The cryptocurrency market could explode in interest, prices, and that means massive gains for you ahead if a couple of conditions are met. Guys, we're going to be talking about some things in this video, and I'm going to be going over the top 3 meme coins that you should be looking at potentially buying into what could be the largest bull market rally the cryptocurrency industry has ever seen. Let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we get some crypto news pulled up on the screen right now. We're going to be diving into this in a second. We're going to be diving into the fear degree index, and we're going to be diving into 3 meme coins that you should highly consider for your portfolio, because I believe these brand new meme coins could shoot up in value, providing the largest gains during what should be the largest bull market rally the cryptocurrency industry has ever seen. Now, you guys can read through these headlines here. I'm not going to go through all of these articles, but I want you to get a gist of what's going on in the crypto space right now. Bitcoin and Ether lead $17.8 billion crypto inflows. Oh my goodness. All of the fearful outflows on, little woe is me, Germany selling off all of their Bitcoin. That has ended. We've got $17 billion in inflows. $1.4 billion in inflows last week in crypto investment products like ETFs and so on. Crypto Bitcoin ETFs herald less favorable token longer term, traders say. Excellent. Record inflows for Bitcoin ETFs as market sees renewed interest. Perfect. Bitcoin rallies on Trump optimism. Guys, a lot of people are saying that the election results have been signed, sealed, delivered here in the United States. It is guaranteed that we're going to see cryptocurrency innovation, that the results are going to be guaranteed at this point, and that nobody can stop it from happening now. What are they trying to stop from happening? Well, I don't know. Retail investors making a ton of money. Retail investors, as Andrew Tate would say, breaking out of the matrix. Retail investors finally hitting that financial freedom. But you're not going to get it if you're stuck on the sidelines looking in. You have to take action. Now, I believe that we're on the perfect cusp of that action as the fear degree index is now ticking back up into a relatively neutral greedy situation, according to CoinStats fear degree index. And we are in a neutral situation off of 36 or level 36 fearful lows on the fear degree index from CoinMarketCap. Investors are becoming optimistic. Investors are no longer afraid. And as this takes place, as you start to see the prices rise back up, only one thing is going to separate you from the rest of retail out there. Did you buy as others were fearful? Were you able to accumulate as others were afraid? And if you say yes, money will be made as new liquidity flows into those pools. And as PlayDoge continues its pre-sale and gears up to launch, I believe this token could see one of the largest gains during the bull market because it could set itself aside as one of the best gaming tokens in the industry. You guys remember how popular Tamagotchi was, and if you don't, let me tell you, it was very popular. These guys are reviving that with a beautifully displayed app here. You're going to be able to take advantage of earning PlayDoge while playing this game. It is a play-to-earn game. And if it is, if it reaches the top 10, it's going to have a $1+ billion market cap, which would most likely result in 100x gains if that takes place. Even if it reaches the top 100 gaming tokens, you're talking about 3, 4, 5x gains to 30, 40, 50, $100 million in market cap. PlayDoge is building something that people will want to take advantage of it. But guess what? They're too afraid right now. The question is, are you too afraid right now? I've bought into PlayDoge. I've bought into PlayDoge pretty heavy. I'm very excited about it. Dawgz here. Dawgz is offering a 16x increase on your money if you're willing to stake. And on top of that, Dawgz has some of the best price increases per stage in the pre-sale industry right now. Not just going up a little bit of a pip here or a tick. These guys are moving up 3, 4, 5% every single stage. On top of the 3, 4, 5% per stage increase, you've got these 16x APYs on staking rewards. Refer to earn, meaning that you guys can earn an additional 10% if anybody uses your link. You've got a link to this down in the description below. I'd really appreciate it if you used it, and share that one if you don't want to share your own. And guys, we're in a pullback, right? Going from fearful to greedy. Even if you don't have the money to buy right now, take advantage of these airdrops. Dawgz is going to have an airdrop where you can earn rewards by fulfilling these quests coming soon, as you can see, where you can earn free tokens. If you can't afford to stack right now, you can't afford the 3 minutes that it would take you to go out there, share it on your social medias, make sure to log into the website, all that good stuff, so that you guys can earn free tokens along the way, and Dawgz is providing that. Not only that, it takes advantage of the Shiba Inu meme here, which we know how popular that is. And finally, Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained is building a layer 2 blockchain that is 100 times faster than Ethereum. It's the cheapest in the industry, and you're going to have instant bridging between Ethereum and the Pepe blockchain. Guys, all of these pre-sales, it is super simple to click the link and then, of course, click Connect Wallet. And I like to use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code, and then you're ready to buy. The only question is, will you? Or are you afraid, just like all of the other retail investors out there? Guys, you can look at cryptocurrency statistics out on Google Trends. You can use the fear to greed indexes, and you're going to see one thing. Retail investors are afraid right now. Now, here's the beautiful part. We are seeing a little bit of a tick back up here. We are moving from a level of 4 in cryptocurrency interest to a level of 8. Now, I believe that has a twofold part. Number one, investors are finally catching on. You were supposed to buy when things are low, and you're supposed to sell when things are high. Also, because of everything that happened with the presidential campaign over the weekend, and everything that people are now leaning towards is going to be taking place here in the United States with embracing cryptocurrency, they're finally starting to understand the logic of the situation, that now is the time. Pepe Unchained, Dawgz, PlayDoge. Top 3 brand new meme coins that could soar into what could be and should be the largest bull market that the cryptocurrency space has ever seen. The only decision you have to make is whether or not you're going to get in. Let me know down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.